Assist, definition, assist in a sentence, assist, pronunciation, assist meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of assist. 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 Assist as a verb means to help or to aid. Common usages in academic writing: assist them, assist him, assist her, offer assistance. Example sentence: assist, verb. Your professor will assist you with your writing process. The common academic writing variations are assistance, noun. The data was organized with the assistance of a computer program. And assistant, noun. My assistant will contact you in the morning with the details of our trip. Please write a sentence using assist in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use assist confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.